Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a pot roast from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to be adding our dry rub. For our dry rub we have a mix of garlic powder, brown sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, and oregano. Now we're just going to be adding that on there. And we're going to be massaging that into the meat so we get a nice even coating. We're going to make sure that we're flipping over and we're getting that coating on the bottom as well. This way is that those flavors get all over the meat. And on all the sides. Next up we have 2 tablespoons of potato starch. We're going to pour that on there and we're going to rub that around to all the sides. This helps to make sure that we get that dry in there and will help the gravy to become more of a gravy later. Alright, so now we're going to set this aside and get the pot ready. Alright, now we're going to heat up our pan. To that we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. We're going to let that oil heat up until it can sear that meat nice and evenly. Alright, now that we got that heated up, we're going to take our meat, we're going to put fat side down, and we're going to get that a nice sear on all sides. Go about 2 minutes on each side, just enough to get all the flavors locked in. Make sure we get the edges as well. And now that we have that nice even crust on there, we're going to go ahead and remove that to the plate. Set that aside. And we're going to saute up our onions, get them tenderized. Now that those are starting to brown up, we're going to add our 2.5 cups of beef broth. Make sure we're getting all that beef flavor mixed back into there from when we fried up the beef. And we're going to add about ½ teaspoon of salt, a dash of pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Alright, now that we got that all mixed up, we're going to set this aside and we're going to go get our slow cooker. Alright, now we're going to start off by putting our roast in the slow cooker. We're going to add a bay leaf, and we're going to add our broth and onion mix right here. Now we're going to go put this on the slow cooker for about 2 hours, and then we're going to be adding our carrots and potatoes. Alright, now that that's been going for about 3 hours now, it's got the vegetables in there. Go ahead and take the lid off. We're going to go ahead and take out the meat. Put it on the plate. Get our carrots and potatoes. Get on the plate with that. Now let's get a look at the inside of that meat. Cuts through like butter. Doesn't that look beautiful? And there we have a pot roast. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.